Good morning, children. Take out your book English language, Smart English grammar and composition. Okay, book 1, revision time, chapter 2, page 6. Okay. Everyone follow me. Read the name of the children. You see, many children is here. You have to see the picture. Kitu, Shona, Tom, Rahul, Mantu, Nidhi. Okay. Kitu, you see the picture, is reading the book. Tom, Rahul, Nidhi. So, children, see first here, name is different name. You see Kitu, Mona, Tom, Rahul. So, when we write a name, any name, we begin with a capital letter. Kitu, you see K-I-T-U. Starting letter capital and others letters small letters. Okay. Next you see Sona, S-O-N-A, Sona. Okay. So Sona, S-O-N-A, S capital letter, capital letter, O-N-A, small letters. Okay. Next children, you see Montu, M-O-N-T-U, Montu. M is capital, see capital letter, and O-N-T-U, small letter. Small letters. So, children, when we write any name, we begin with a capital letter. Any name means Sona, Montu, Kitu, Tom, Radhika, Nikita, Ankit, Ankush. So, begin with a capital letter. The other letters in the name are small letters. So you see, next the surname Sona. The surname Sona, you see Sona Thakur. So I write here Thakur, T-H-A-K-U-R, Thakur. You see, starting T, capital, and others letters, small letters. So starting T, capital letter, and others, small letters. Okay, so see here, Vijay Singh. Vijay, starting V, capital, other letters small, Singh as capital, other letters small. So Nidhi, Rana, Mona, Chopra, Sona, Thakur. So I think everyone understood. So starting letter capital, other letters small letters. Okay. Next children, F. Now write. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your name. You understood? How can you write your full name? Your name, and you write here your surname, starting name, first letter capital, other letter small, surname, starting letter capital, other letter small. So write your own name. Okay, starting letter capital. Okay, your father's name. You write here your father's name, number 2. Number 3, your mother's name. You write here your own mother's name. Any problem, children, you ask your mother and father their name spelling also. Okay. Number 4, your friend's name. You have any friends? I hope you have friends. So you write friend's name, her or his. Okay. Number 5, your sister's name. You have any sister, so you write, otherwise you leave it. Okay. Next page, open G. G, there are 5 vowels. You know, children, 5 vowels. What vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. Read the words and fill in the blanks. Make rhyming words. So first one you see A, cap, tap, map, Sam. अभी हम next लिखना next you write rhyming words. This is rhyming words. So everyone follow me. Children, take out your school copy. First, A, first letter A. Okay, I write here CAP, cap, TAP, tap, MAP, map, SAM, Sam. Cap, tap, map, Sam. So last one you write here, fill in the blanks, AM. So you write here RAM, RAM. Okay, RAM, RAM. You write here RAM, RAM. You write RAM. Okay, RAM. RAM, RAM. Next, E vowel. E vowel. E vowel. See, DE and den, TE and ten, HE and hen. Everyone follow the book. HE and hen, MEN and men. So you write here, write EN. So you write here den, hen, men, pen. PE and pen. Den, DE and den, TE and ten, HE and hen, ME and men, PE and pen. Okay. Next, I. See here, TIP, tip, LIP, lip, HIP, hip, PIP, pip. So I write here TIP, tip, LIP, lip, HIP, hip, PIP, pip. Now BI dash. So fill. Yes, children, BIB, bip. Tip, lip, hip, pip, bip. Okay. Next, O. O vowel. So I write first HOT, hot, P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. N-O-T, not. Hot, pot, cot, not. Now O-T. So you will write here lot. L-O-T, lot. Again repeat. H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. N-O-T, not. L-O-T, lot. Hot, pot, cot, not, lot. Okay. Last one. U. A-E-I-O, U. Okay. U vowel. Right. R-U-B, rub. M-U-B-G, mug. C-U-B, cup. T-U-B, tub. U-G. So rub, mug, cup, tub. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. I hope everyone understood G. Now take out your school diary. Write your homework. Okay. Homework. Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Page 6, 7, 7G. 6, 7G. This is revision time. So practice nicely, children. Okay. Bye bye.